everybody, this is Tina. Welcome to my video today, you guys. I just want to share with you a really quick video. I want to share with you the treats that I'm going to do for the kids for Halloween. I decided to go ahead and use the paper pumpkin kit this month. It's so cute. For this month, you get 24 of these little cello bags and then the little toppers to go with them. So what I did is immediately when I got my kit and I saw what they were, as soon as I could, I went and I ordered 2 more of the refill kits. So you can get a full kit. When you're a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you can get a full kit or you can get a refill kit. So I ordered 2 of the refill kits so that I could do Andrew and Violet's class. So you get 24 of the bags. So 3 kits I was able to divide up between those 2 kids and put these together. They're so cute. These pumpkins are so cute. Let me see. Oh, here's the ghost. So these were really easy to put together. Here's the stamp set that you get. So if you're not familiar with what Paper Pumpkin is, it is a super cute kit you get every single month. It's $20 a month, and then you get different projects every single month. So this month it was little treat bags, there's cards. In the past there has been, a couple years ago, there was a little year in review album you got to put together. They're just really a lot of fun. You always get a stamp set, which I always think the stamp set is worth getting. This one has its Halloween, Frights and Delights, Treats for You, a To and From. Just super cute. I love this one. I think I'll probably keep this one forever because it has this Halloween one in it, and I just love the fonts that is used for the sayings. So you always get a stamp set, and then you always get a little stamp and spot. So you have the ink and you have everything to put the project together, whatever that project is. And then you have the ability to get the refill kits or the full kits. So, and then you can use these if you don't want to make treat bags. If you're not in need of that, you could make these into cards, or there's lots of alternative ideas. There's some over on my website that I've shared with you guys today for this post. If you just head over there, you're going to see a couple different ideas. And then I always upload into my VIP customer group. Every month I upload photos of different projects that you can put together with your Paper Pumpkin kit. So that's what this was. And so this is going to be for Andrew and Violet. And then for Kayla, do you guys remember these from, I think these were from last year in the holiday catalog. These little treat tubes. I got a bunch of these when they were on the clearance rack. I got several boxes of them. So I have these, and then what I've done is I've taken our cat punch, and then this little spider is from this stamp set, but the spooky is from a different stamp set. So I've just embossed with white on there, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the treat tube and I will just put a little bit of tear and tape on that, and it'll stick right to that. And then I have some purple baker's twine, and I'll tie a bow around the cat's neck. And then I will put candy in here for Kayla's class. So I'm just doing something a little bit different for Kayla's class. But I do love the way these turned out. Coming up here in just a couple days, all the details are going to be down below, and I'll put the dates right here. You can get your very first Paper Pumpkin kit for $5. So you can try out the Paper Pumpkin kit for $5 coming up, and then you would get the October kit, and it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm excited about the October kit that's coming up. So the dates will be right here. You can sign up during those dates and you'll get your first kit for $5. So I love that. It's a great time to try it and see if you like it, and then you can cancel anytime. It's no big deal to cancel, or you can do a prepaid, like you can do a prepaid 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, 1 year. All that information is in the YouTube description below or over on my website. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing these little treats. They're super cute. I think the kids are going to like it. I just have to get candy now and fill the bags. But I just sat one afternoon and put all the bags together so that they're together. And then all I have to do is add candy to them now. And I have a little container here that I just put all of that in until I get all the candy. So here they are. So thanks so much, you guys, for coming by and hanging out with me. Don't forget that tomorrow, Friday, I will be live on my Facebook page putting together a project, and then I'll be back here on YouTube and on my website on Friday with another post. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will talk to you guys later. So much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.